Quinn's interest in plants has grown significantly over the past year. From a fleeting way to connect with her mom to doing her own research on her own time because she just wants to learn more. She wants to collect milkweed pods to plant in our garden because she knows they're in the same family as her mama's Hoya. But it's a little more than that. She made these Christmas baubles for me, and we sold some of them at the market on the weekend. She was really hoping to make a video, a little tutorial, but unfortunately she's unwell. But she is so inspired by YouTubers like Fern from Wild Fern, Grania from Jungle Flowers Canada, Kevin from Hakuna La Planta, and Amy from Wolfgang's Mama. She seeks these videos out and watches them and learns from them. She gets excited when they have a plant that I have too, and loves to come and tell me. Having these people in our lives to inspire a next generation of botanists or hobbyists is just wonderful. So I'm going to show you how Quinn and I make Hoya-Day baubles. They're pretty easy and cheap to make. You just need some plastic baubles. You can get them at the dollar store. I got these from Amazon. Some cuttings from your favourite Hoya, some perlite and some damp moss, and just some string. You might need a plant pin. I don't always use them, but sometimes they can be helpful. I just add moss into each side of the bauble, and then you want to just add your little cutting. Make sure some of the stem is covered by the moss. And this is where you could pin it down if you wanted to. I always sprinkle a little bit of perlite on. This was Quinn's idea, just to make it look like snow. But you don't need to. And then that's it. You just close it up. I find that they stay nice and moist for about 8 weeks. And in that time, the plants have usually well rooted and are showing new growth. I grew a couple of these over the summer in my study with no other light than some fairy lights that I have at the back of my computer. And a little Curtisiae that you can see in the corner there was actually grown in there from 2 leaves. I'd left it in there about 4 months and it just grew wonderfully. It's not sun-stressed like the one in my window, but it works really well. And just add some string and you're good. You can still open it if you did need to dampen it or to just move the position of the plant. And you can hang them wherever you want. And you can also change the colour of the ribbon. You don't need to just use them around Christmas time. I have a Curtisiae in this one, and I can't remember the other little Hoya cutting. Quinn went around and just took little cuttings for all of them. And you can get different sizes too of the baubles. These ones are much smaller, but I actually wanted some bigger ones. And that's it. I got a little Christmas tree from the dollar store with some lights, and she'll be living in my study, just adding a little bit of holiday sparkle.